Let's take a look at how ThinQ can help you watch TV with simple controls. First, to ask ThinQ a question through your LG TV, just press and hold the button, then make your request. Like this.
Show me cooking program.
Moving to the channel 270 with cooking program. Here is the channel list for cooking program. Select the program you want.
You can also ask ThinQ to change the picture mode, like this. Change to vivid mode.
Changing to vivid mode.
And you can even set a switch-off time, like this.
Turn off the TV when this program is over.
Completed sleep timer setting after the end of this program, 42 minutes.
See? Every control is at your command. It's easy. All you have to do is ask your TV. This is it. This is ThinQ AI, LG's intelligent assistant. All from your TV. All powered by your voice.